Hey guys, and welcome back. So this is a tutorial on creating custom fields. So I'm going to go ahead and sign into my account here. Okay, so now that brings us to our setup page. If you're not here, you can just click setup. And in my last video, I created a custom object. So we're going to go to create objects. And here's the object I created called merchandise. If you didn't create this object, that's fine as well. You just want to learn how to create custom fields. This is perfectly fine as well. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on merchandise, and it brings us to our custom object merchandise, and we're going to go to custom fields and relationships, and I'm thinking about creating 3 fields here. So one of the fields that we're going to create is the description field, and it's going to be we have to choose the field type. So the data type will be text area. So text area, this allows users to enter up to 255 characters on separate lines. That sounds good to me for a description. And the name, like I said, is going to be description. There we go. And a description of the merchandise. And we can put in help text as well. Let's always require a value in this field. Well, and this is an optional thing. We can make this field a required field where they have to always enter in something, and I think I will for now. So let's go ahead and just make it required. Click next. So this is the field level security, and right now everything is set to visible, which is fine. That's I believe it has to be set to visible because we have set the field as required. So we're going to go ahead and click next, and you can see here we added to which page layout to our merchandise page layout. So that's fine as well. We'll click save and new. So that's one field that we just created, one custom field. So now let's create another custom field, and let's see what type of field we want to create. Let's create our price field. So let's see, price, we want money. So we're going to choose the best data type for that would be currency. Let's see, allows to enter a dollar or other currency amount and automatically formats the field as a currency amount. This can be useful if you export data to Excel or another spreadsheet. So that seems about right. Let's give it a field label name. We'll call it currency, and we'll have it sure, it could be 18, length 18. That's a lot of money in front of the decimal, and then we want 2 decimal places after that. So I'm not gonna put in a description here, but everything else is already checked. We will make this required as well. So we'll click next. Oh, let's see. The sum of the length decimals must be an integer less than or equal to 18. So this 18 plus this 2 here equals 20. So we need this to be 16. So it has to be 18 in total. So we'll click next, and everything is visible. We'll click next, and it adds it to the page layout, and we'll click save and new, and we'll create a third custom field. This custom field will be our total inventory. So The data type should be a number. Let's see here if we get number. Perfect. So number allows users to enter any number. Leading zeros are removed. So that works. Again, our field name will be total inventory. All right, and you see it automatically adds it here. Let's make this a required field as well. Okay, no decimal places, and I think that'll be good enough. And we'll click next, and we'll click save this time, and that should bring us back to this page here. And now we look at our custom fields and relationships. We see that we have 3 fields here: our currency field that we created, our description field that we created, and our total inventory field that we created. And all of them have __C because they're all custom fields. All custom field API names will have that __C. The label name will always be here. And we see their data type. And we can see when they were modified, the date and time. So thank you guys. I'm going to put more videos up here and hopefully make an app. So thank you all, and I'll see you on the next video.